Definitions, there are various. The most common sense based one would be breaking the term Neuro-Linguistic Programming and understand how does it form in the first place. Neuro meaning brain, linguistic language, programming, planting a habit into the body-mind system. But what does it really mean? Hello everyone, today I'm here to brief you about Neuro-Linguistic Programming. Yes, we can split the words and understand what each part of the word means, but that won't give us a practical picture of how does it apply in our lives. Simply speaking, there are two aspects of NLP. One of which is what is NLP for the world that I live in. NLP is a refining system. It gives you the ability to refine what you want to say and communicate. So you start seeing that your communication is now refined such that you take your experience, take your world and convey it using language into the world of the other person, into the world perspective of the other person. So they now know and understand what is it like to be in your world. Meaning they now appreciate your experience and your perspectives. Now that is an incredible ability to have, to be able to translate and transmit exactly what you feel, what you want to say into the mental world of the other person. This one skill makes or breaks the deals. Whether it is bringing harmony to your relationship, success to your career, business, imagine the amount of energy that you would save or even convert from disharmony to harmony, from arguments, misunderstandings to alignment with this one ability. Effectively communicate exactly what you want to. So then, soon you will see that this aspect is now making your life experience tremendously powerful. As more and more people are now able to see the world the way you see it, people realize that you bring more to the table than just work, but the ability to bind people together, maybe towards a collective vision. They are now seeing you with a different potential, and it makes you into a natural leader. People now look up to you. Here's the deal. The effect that we can have on others is still secondary. That's another aspect of NLP, which we'll talk in our next video blog, which is even primary to this one. So until then, keep growing, choose to be happy. Do like and share this video and subscribe our channel for more such videos.